Hey there. So imagine you have this interesting problem where you want to expand the results of a query to count the relationships between different labels in your database. You start with a query that counts relationships between label_A and label_B. But now you want to go further and count relationships between label_A and label_C, label_B and label_C, and so on. Quite a fascinating problem to tackle. Now, let's delve into the solution for this particular problem. Using a match statement to go through all relationships in the database, we then unwind the labels on the start and end nodes. By returning the type of relationship, the start label, the end label, and counting how often these pairs appear, we successfully obtain the expanded table with counts for each type of label combination. It's a smart and efficient way to tackle the problem at hand. In summary, we've explored a problem that required expanding the results of a query to count relationships between different labels in a database. The solution involved using match and unwind statements to analyze all relationships, labels on start and end nodes, and efficiently count the occurrences of label pairs. I hope you found this solution helpful and insightful. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time.